What's up guys? Summer here and welcome to another vlog. So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung top 5 reason kung bakit kailangang mas bilhin mo ang Expander GLS versus sa other brand. So, let's start. So number one reason is maluwag yung space niya dito sa passenger seat. Actually, pwede mong gawing 8-seater to kasi nakabili na dito yung kapatid ko. So, pwede dito sa tatlo sa gitna and then pwede rin na tatlo sa likod, guys. So, number two reason is matipid siya since 1.5 liter lang yung engine niya and naka-Maybach technology na siya. Maybach technology means timing yung kanyang intake and outtake valve when it comes in pouring the gasoline inside the engine, guys. Next is kompleto siya sa safety features like 360 camera and naka-cruise control na siya plus may 10-inch LCD display siya for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then advantage is wireless na siya, guys. So fourth reason kung bakit kailangan mong bilhin ang Expander over competitor is as you can see, napakaganda ng design. So premium yung design niya and siguradong mapapalingon ka kahit saan ka man tumingin dito sa Expander na to. It's just because Expander is hailed as the best MPV for the straight 5 years here in the Philippines. So last reason is value for money, guys. So as you can see, hindi tinipid sa specs ang Expander. Plus, mababa lang yung kanyang maintenance fee. And at the same time, maganda and mas mataas yung kanyang height compare sa ibang MPV. So for more inquiries, guys, you can hit me on my Facebook page, which is Summer C. Diamante /Mitsubishi Grand Canyon Calamba, or you can call and text on my contact number, which is 0951-276-6772. And that's all, guys, and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!